Hello everyone, welcome to the English Fluency course day 2. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce tenses, which is very important topic to learn English. Tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time of an action. This word is derived from the Latin word. What is the Latin word? Tempus. Tempus means time of an action. So tense indicates the time of an action or state of being. So there are mainly three tenses in English. If you know these three tenses, you will be able to speak well. The main three tenses are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Examples for present tense: I go. Example for past tense: I went. And the future tense: I will go. So if you know the three forms of the verbs, okay, the first form of the verb and the second form of the verb and third form of the verb. If you take this verb go has three forms mainly: present, past, and past participle. Okay, go, went, gone. If you use the first form of the verb, it will be present tense. If it is the second form of the verb, it is a past tense, and will or shall plus first form of the verb is future tense. So these are the three main tenses which you have to learn first. Okay, now let's see the three forms of the verbs: go, went, gone. Right, every verb has three forms. To describe an action, we have to use these verbs. Here pronouns are there: I, we. I go, we go. Second person, you go. Third person singular, he, she, it. When the subject is third person singular, for example, he is there, then we should not say he go. Okay, we have to say he goes, she goes, it goes. If the subject is I or we or you or they, there will be no change in the first form of the verb. We can say I go, we go, you go. But if the subject is he, she, it, or somebody like my brother, my sister, my friend, my teacher, okay, the verb takes s or es. They is third person plural. With the third person plural, there will be no change in the verb. As it is, we can say they go to market, they go to library. These are very, very important, these pronouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pronouns are there. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. If you know these verb forms, okay, for example, go is there. With the go, we can now make 7 sentences here. I go to school. We go to school. You go to school. He goes to school. She goes to school. It goes to school. They go to school. So you can make number of sentences with one verb and you can practice. If you use the first form of the verb, that is called present tense, we use present tense to describe regular actions, to describe habitual actions, and we use this tense to describe universal truths. Next, here another verb is there: speak. The past tense of speak is spoke, and past participle is spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Here, look at these examples. I speak English. We speak English. You speak English. Okay, subject is I. So there is no change in the verb. I speak, we speak, you speak. But if the subject is third person singular, like he, she, it, there is a change in the verb form, that is s is added to the verb. He speaks English. She speaks English. It speaks English. Third person plural. They speak English. Here, my brother, my sister, my friend, okay, my father, my mother, my aunt, my uncle. When the subject is third person singular, yes or es will be added to the first form of the verb. So, my brother speaks English. My sister speaks English. My friend speaks English. So, pick up any verb and learn these pronouns, and with each pronoun you have to make one sentence. Take another verb, for example, eat. I eat an apple. We eat an apple. You eat an apple. Like that. So, first of all, practice these sentences. Write down, practice them. After that, learn the verb forms. Okay, take action words like eat, speak, read, okay, go, come, write, draw. After that, make sentences on your own and practice them. Now let us see how to how to make negative statements. I speak English. What is the negative statement for this? I don't speak English. We don't speak English. You don't speak English. They don't speak English. Right? Now let's take third person singular. He doesn't speak English. And the subject is third person singular. We cannot say he don't speak English. That's wrong, right? So here we have to say he doesn't speak English, right? She doesn't speak English. It doesn't speak English. The same way here I go. What is the negative statement? I don't go. We go. We don't go. You go. You don't go. He goes. He doesn't go. She goes. She doesn't go. It goes. It doesn't go. So, today in this class, we learned the main tenses in English and we learned present tense using the first form of the verb. If you know the first form of the verb, if you know the pronouns, 7 pronouns, you can make 7 sentences, positive sentences and negative sentences. Example for positive statement is I speak English and negative statement is I don't speak English. He speaks English. Negative statement is he doesn't speak English. Hope you understood. You need to practice. You need to practice a lot in order to become fluent. You have to write down on the paper and practice, stand in front of the mirror and practice with yourself if there is no one. If you have friends to talk with you, then you can practice with your friends or with your kids, with your family members. Now, let us see what we have learned in this class. How many main tenses are there in English? Okay, what is the question? How many main tenses are there in English? There are 3 main tenses in English. What is the negative statement for I speak English? What is the negative statement for I speak English? The negative statement for I speak English is I don't speak English. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.